impression I got that when numbers were ridiculous, and the numbers after the show are also ridiculous. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Lady, get your facts straight. Are we a lead? And we still a lead? Bunty and Beanie did it. Big up Lexus on the live. Anyway, that was Sumfest recap. I'm going to watch Sumfest tonight and do a recap tomorrow again. Every day we'll do a recap. See? I want to say this now. The Rastafarian community in Jamaica, I am very disappointed in the Rastafarian community in Jamaica. Ignorant fool. The Rastafarian community within Jamaica, where we look for moral support, moral discipline, moral enforcement via verbal, physical, or spiritual, has lost its way. I am disappointed in all Rasta figures in Jamaica. Uno nothing like me. Uno are some pussy wall. The Rasta them at Jamaica lose them bumbuckler self. I mean, I stick out and pinpoint each person. Rasta community in Jamaica turn big blood clot blue movie, fashionista, liquor drinking, wasteman blood clot entity. A youth like me were motivated by Rastafari discipline and liberty. I go fucking crazy. I try keep the fucking nation intact. And me and a blood clot Rasta. Uno are some weak bumble wall. Me no want a Rasta look to me if you no respect. If you don't want to chat to me, if you don't want advice to me, I don't give a fuck. Uno neatly are some batty boy. Uno are some bowers. Uno are some pussy wall. Uno are losing yourself. Uno Rasta. So-called Rasta Jamaica, we're in a reggae and dancehall. Uno fi go, uno fi start trim, uno fi just start nyam meat, nyam pussy, nyam pork, nyam everything. Make everybody say, uno a hypocrite and batty boy. Uno fi go. Yeah. And when I say that, I response who want vex, cause suck on the mama. Yeah. Big man thing. And me alone I fight the blood clot fight, and the whole I keep on the mouth shut. So I don't want visa. I don't want batty man come sign and go on a big contract. I don't know blood clot hungry. I don't know hungry, I still go on like I'm not hungry. I be one out here look like a big blood clot idiot. I want to say people that diss me and I style me over righteousness. And I say nothing, I want to be good. Now pussy. Straight up, I want to be good. Right now, I'm say no Rasta Jamaica. I say no Rasta Jamaica. I say no Rasta Jamaica. I say go. Uno ungrateful to the Almighty. The Almighty make you reach out for righteousness, and know when righteousness we stand up and defend righteousness no more. Lock. Uno more. Lock. I got the live I got done. I got start live tomorrow. Yeah, on a Rasta boy, coming out going to no real respect, I don't know if you get no respect, you know. And the whole by knock off bumbo clot Rasta, them come like on a Rasta, and the whole on a friend, them a suck pussy and a lick out party, and on a hype up the lesbian girl. Hey, watch me on the blood clot. I can talk my mind tomorrow, now some pussy. Me a burn out the